This is Benson's VLOGGITY Vlog. Straps Production Films.
Good morning everyone, it's the 4th of July 2010, 26 minutes after 1 p.m. Why am I listening to this? Because happy 4th of July everyone. And I'm not even from America, but still, you know what I mean. It's so funny, I was just about to go downstairs to Yvonne to say that her mocking me worked because I had a bottle of martini and I took it from the fridge and I took it upstairs, and over there's an empty bottle, so that is not the one. And I was like, where the heck is it? Yeah, guys, I'm really sorry for the mess. Today or tomorrow it's gonna be cleaned up. But then I was like, huh. And from here you can see my bag and what sticks out of my bag. That is true. My bottle of martini. So I almost went down for nothing. And all my muscles hurt. Even the muscles I didn't even know I had hurt. So yeah. Going moshing is really good for your biology, I guess. Figuring out your body and stuff. You don't get... Go away. Again, you guys, happy 4th of July. Woohoo! That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah, you're totally right. You're totally right. I can't say more. I can't say more. You're so right. Everyone, thumbs up for the guinea pig. That's right. You're totally right. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to do something completely stupid because I am stupid and I'm dumb and I don't learn until it hurts. I'm that kind of guy. So yeah, I don't know if it's the right translation, but I'm full of muscle pain. If you've seen yesterday's vlog, you'll know why. I only recorded one mosh pit, but I've been in 7, and 3 times it went terribly wrong because there was a guy who used stuff and he just kicked around people and he kicked me in the leg twice, and then he got removed from the mosh pit, luckily. And some guy, I don't blame him, I fell on the ground and he lost his balance, so he stepped. Unfortunately for me, that's exactly where my throat was. So yeah, he literally stamped on my throat. That kind of hurt, but now it doesn't anymore. But I'm full of muscle pain, if that is the correct translation, because I translated it really literally. But right now I have the fun idea of doing a air drumming song. Which song? Yes, I'm going to do Full Beat, A Moment Forever. More often. The song at the bottom. Whee! This one. Once a drummer, always a drummer. Look at Dushy being all cute. Say hi to YouTube, douche.
Hi to YouTube, douche. Je hoofd valt af.
French kiss, French kiss.
No way, no way.
Thank you for watching Strap's Vengeance. VLOGGITY vlog, he knows that he can't sing, so I will try. I just want to ask you to rate, comment, and subscribe to Strap 6661. Thanks a lot, man.